billionaire who ran a company called Stark Industries. It's sleep time, honey. Sleep well, beautiful boy. He was also an intelligent inventor who used his skills to create a suit made of iron. People around the world knew him as Iron Man. Good night, my love. Sleep well. I love you.
I love you, Mommy. Oh yeah, get out of the sucker.
Good night, my love.
Mom, can I ask you a question?
Sure, you can ask me anything.
Why do we have to hide ourselves from all humans?
I can't really tell you. Not yet, but trust me, it's extremely important that we remain hidden from all humans. This house has been abandoned for a long time, so we should be safe here.
Okay, Mommy.
Sleep tight. What would you like to do tomorrow?
I'm not sure.
Anything you want. You pick. Whatever your heart desires.
Can we go to the beach?
Sounds good, honey. I love you.